Hey neighbors, are you ready to get your mind blown?
I am, definitely. This is definitely for our neighbors out there who love to cook and you love to prepare meals for your loved ones. This is for you. Let's go. If you're the type who goes all out when it comes to cooking for your family, friends, and loved ones, this one's for you. Achieve quality family-sized meals with a touch of a button with the Ninja Foodi Smart XL5, a multifunctional smart cook system with XL capacity. Whether you need something for grilling, air frying, baking, reheating, and dehydrating food, those are exactly what this device can provide for you. It's multifunctional and virtually smoke-free, which makes it great for apartment living. It's equipped with intuitive controls and preset cooking programs, making gourmet cooking accessible to all. Its compact structure also saves valuable countertop. This one's perfect for busy home cooks who want to whip up gourmet dishes in no time. Another device that helps you go all in with your gourmet dishes is the Thermomix TM6, your all-in-one kitchen companion. This multi-level cooker offers 28 functions for meal prep with its ability to chop, grind, blend, roast, steam, whip, whisk, bake, saute, ferment, and more. It can do almost all that you might need and will save you a lot of time and energy. It's compact and portable with a wide touchscreen, user-friendly interface. Connect this device to your Wi-Fi and you can enable smart cooking programs and real-time access to a vast library of more than 80,000 recipes and Cookie-Do guided cooking steps and video tutorials. It's kind of like having a personal chef in your kitchen. Are you ready for the world's first AI-powered grill? The Sear Perfecta's innovative element lies in its use of artificial intelligence to monitor and adjust cooking parameters real-time, ensuring perfectly grilled meats every time in less than 5 minutes. Its dual-sided cooking, energy-efficient features, and infrared quality of up to 1,652 Fahrenheit ensure that you still get healthy meals while saving time and energy. You can choose amongst the cooking modes that ranges from grill, pizza, rotisserie, to oven and chef special meals. Aside from the food type, you can also choose its cut type. Is it filet mignon, tomahawk, strip, ribeye? What about its doneness level? Rare to well done? Done. Sear level is also indicated. With its advanced technology and sleek design, it offers an unmatched level of precision and convenience for all grill enthusiasts. Elevate your kitchen experience further and enjoy rich, authentic flavors right in your home with the GE Profile Smart Indoor Smoker. It comes with the ability to smoke a variety of foods, including meats and vegetables, with ease. Using the same wood pellets as an outdoor pellet grill, your food receives deliciously smoky flavor, while the active smoke filtration system turns the smoke into warm air. The counter guard prevents staining the waste bin and collects and extinguishes wood pellets when filled properly with fresh water. Each rack holds up to 15 pounds maximum, and the drip pan effectively filters the fat and grease. It features preset smoking functions so anyone can use it like a pitmaster without the hassle of traditional outdoor smokers. Using the GE Profile app, you can seamlessly control and monitor the smoker from your smartphone, allowing you to adjust settings and check the cooking progress remotely. Plus, precise temperature control guarantees great results every time. Want to cook remotely anywhere, anytime? The Meter Plus wireless smart meat thermometer with its user-friendly app lets you easily navigate through preset recommendations and customizable settings from temperature, cooking mode, and cooking time. Its advanced features and guided cooking programs ensure perfect results whether grilling, roasting, or smoking from beef, pork, poultry, lamb, fish, and more. Cook your food right with the Meter Plus wireless smart meat thermometer.
And there you go. Mind blown? Yes? No? Let us know in the comments below. Those are just a few of the smart kitchen upgrades you can choose from for your kitchen. But you can also explore other options in the market to ensure that your cooking needs are met with precision and convenience. There's some time-saving and energy-saving options out there for you as well. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. We'll see you next week. Bye, neighbors.